Hi guys, today I want to tell you guys something that's going to really change your life, and I'm going to give you an update that is going to really change your life. But before then, let me tell you the difference between a rich man and a poor man. The rich, what they do and the kind of mindset they have is when they have money, they invest that money, while the poor, when he has money, he wants to use it to buy liability. The rich invest in assets, while the poor, most of the time, they use their money towards buy liability for themselves. Let me give you guys one example. The rich prefer to invest in companies rather than buying the products those companies produce. Now let's use Apple as example. As you all know, Apple is a company. They produce different electronic gadgets like the iPhones, the iMac, the AirPods, and the rest. Now, the rich man prefer to buy stocks or shares in the company rather than buying a typical like iPhone anytime iPhone launches. Because then their belief is anytime Apple should launch a new product, the stock of the market is going to increase. But most of the time, we get the poor people lining up to buy the product of the company rather than buying the stock or shares in the company. Now, let's say, for example, 4 years ago, your first iPhone, or 5 years ago, your first iPhone, you spent $600 to $1,000 to get your first Apple product. If during that 5 years period or 4 years period, you have invested in Apple stock or you bought a share from the company, by now you would have been making something like at around $4,000. And inside that $4,000, you can use the profit and get any gadget you want. That's how the rich thinks. Now, if you ask a poor man, why do you do that? Some people will say, because they don't know how to buy those stocks or they don't know how to invest in those stocks, right? That brings us to how to invest in stocks. Investing in stocks has been made easy, unlike before that it requires you to do a lot before you even have the opportunity to invest. Some people say the rich people and it's easy for them to invest. No, you too, now it has been made easy for you. All you have to do is go to your Bybit application. That's if you want to buy stock, and not just any Apple and not just Apple stock, any other stock you know of in this life, the big companies like the Tesla, Meta, Netflix, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, all the big companies, you can buy their stocks and keep rather than buying the product they produce. So all you have to do is have your Bybit account, go to your Bybit application, and you sign up. There will be a link in my bio. Once you sign up with the link, now the advantage of signing up with the link is on your first deposit of $100, you are going to get $20 free. You're going to get $20 free that you can use to add to your $100 to invest in any stock you want, and then you keep it. If those companies keep launching new products, the stock price keep going up, and you keep making profits. That's the easy way of making passive income. Now I'm going to show you how to go about it. Now let me show you how easy and how fast you can buy a stock of every top companies out there. Just like I said, if you sign up with the link in the description of this video, you are going to see a unique link. You can't get it anywhere. That's the only link you can use to sign up to get free $20 on your first deposit of $100 and above, right? Now, after signing up with the link, you just carry the login and then you download your Bybit app on App Store or Play Store. Then you just log in and then you fund your account. How to fund your account? I believe most of you know how to fund, but for those of you that don't know how to fund your account, you can use the P2P option, and purchase USDT, or you can just do direct deposit by copying your wallet address, sending it to a friend or anybody that is selling USDT, and then the person is going to send you USDT. If you use the link, once USDT drops in your account, it's going to come with extra $20 that you can use to invest on the spot markets more, or you withdraw it and use it to do anything you want to do, to be honest, right? Now, after you've gotten your account, if you click on trade, you are going to see at the top side, you are going to see convert, you're going to see spot, you are going to see futures, you are going to see options, you are going to see TradeFi. Now, on the TradeFi side, you are going to see Meta, you're going to see stock. Now click on stocks, you see Tesla, Intel, Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, which is Alphabet, Amazon, Netflix, Boeing, Oracle, thousands of companies out there that are doing well. You are going to see them. So you have various options, of stocks to invest. Right now, let me show you example. After you funded your account, you click on assets. Once you click on assets, you click on convert. Right, let's go back again. Assets, you are going to see deposit, withdraw, transfer, and convert. Click on convert, and yeah, from USDT, you select USDT. As you can see, I have like $20,000. Yeah, $20,000. Now, what you do is you click on transfer USDT, convert USDT to what? Then you click here. Let's say Meta. I want to invest in Meta X. You always see X at the front because is you are buying on spot, right? So you write the amount you want to buy, and then you click on quote or whatever. In this case, since we are using Apple as a reference here, we use AAPLX. Just like I said, you see X because you are buying on spot. That's your Apple stock, and then you click $100. Click on, so if you will receive 0.3 of Apple stock, then you click on quote, and you click on converts. The current stock price is 318 currently for Apple. So if Apple should go up, your money will increase. Rather than buying the product of a company, I think it's better to invest in those companies, right? Just like I told you, the first iPhone you bought, if maybe you should have gotten the stock by now, you could have make a lot of money that you can use to buy the product, of the company later. Invest smartly. You should always know what to do and the right thing to do. And I hope this video helps someone out there. Thank you.